How you doing, Chiquita? Look at Pika. Look at Pika.
Let me get Pika.
Oh, look at the kisses.
Oh, it's my mama.
Berryman, are you doing good?
I'll be right back, Pika.
She's coming back, don't worry. Okay, hold on, we're gonna follow. Gonna follow. Let's follow. Let's follow. Where are they? Oh, there they are. There's Chiquita. Hi, honeys. Oh.
Come on, stay right here.
There
Stay
you
right
are.
there.
Go get your other puppy. Go get
Right
your other
here.
puppy. I'm sure she needs you. It's okay, Pumpkin. Where'd she go? She said, where'd my mommy go?
What happened to you, Mama? What happened? They were gone.
Say-
So mellow.
Say, I'm so mellow because I was sleeping. I was sleeping. Hold on, I want to see her. Here she comes. Here comes Berryman. Berryman, let me see your face.
Oh, you're Berryman.
Yes. All right, go ahead inside so she doesn't.
No, they're not supposed to jump off the bed.
Yeah, don't let them jump on and off the bed. It's not good. I'm going to go get their tags.
Okay,
Let me just see
thank you.
Berryman real quick.
Let me see. Wait a
Okay.
minute, Berryman. Wait a minute, Mama.
Mama.
Happily ever after.
Let me see.
The end for now.